Okay, so we have another video today from Jim, live trading, featuring the BWT Precision Autotrader. Our website is on the screen here with our web address here, so if you want to find out more about the Autotrader, you can go to our website. Here's today's video from Jim.
June 4th, market is about to open. We are looking at, this is actually my own personal trading account. As you can see, a live account, not a funded. This is my own personal. So while I'm recording and managing this chart, my other monitor is my funded account, which I'm trading, and on the third monitor is my combine. So once again, we'll try to do all three at the same time. And hopefully today there will not be any recording mess ups. Looking for a move higher. And it's right where I like it. I like trades right by the trend line. So if it's a long trade, I like it right above the trend line. I'm sorry, the moving average. Here we go. Right out of the gate, took a long. So my personal account is much smaller than my funded account. So it has smaller daily targets and smaller daily stop losses. It looks like failed on the first target. So the way I have this one set up, as soon as the first target is hit, break even goes into effect. I think plus 3 ticks just to pay for commissions. And now just looking to see if I can, and wow, well, that's it. Just hit my, sorry, just hit my daily target, profit target. Again, this is my own live account, so now I can get back to my other two accounts. And this is only possible with the help of the Autotrader. There is no way in the world I would catch this on my own. I think this whole thing was like a minute long or maybe even less. All right, guys, I'll keep you updated. All right, so as fast as I could, I transferred over to the funded account, but it looks like we are almost at our profit target here as well. So let's see what's going to happen here. If we go just a bit lower, we're going to get hit. It's like a super fast day. Different template than my other account. There we go. All right, so both accounts hitting their target in about 2 minutes.
Okay, so quite an impressive video from Jim. He was trading two accounts. His personal account was trading just a couple of contracts, and that was live with real money. And then the second trade that we saw was the combine, and that was a larger number of contracts. So I just want to talk about the chart here. This is the video here, and I just want to go over what took place. This moving average, you know, we don't want to ask Jim for his settings. You know, he did all the work to figure this out. I provide settings for all the templates. He basically took my templates and came up with his own thing. But this isn't too hard to figure out just by looking at it, what he's doing here. Obviously, this is the BWT Precision MA, and he's got it set at something, you know, it looks like a pretty large number, you know, maybe 34 or something like that, who knows. But you could duplicate this on your chart. He's looking for a pullback to the average here to initiate trading, and that is coinciding with the open. So if we fast forward a little bit here, I'm just going to drag the cursor. So you heard him say, I like to go long with a pullback coming back to the average. Very valid way. So he basically turned the Autotrader on here. And of course, it took its first long. What I wanted to point out as I was watching this is notice that that price will pull back to the volatility stop. This is the volatility stop right here, these little hash marks. So price will pull back to the volatility stop right here. And look how it just bounced off the volatility stop. And that's what the BWT algorithm is all about, is the volatility is the distance price will move and contain the swings. And if it moves beyond that, if we get a bar that closes below this, then that's a change of direction. And that works pretty good. He has a higher sensitivity on this chart to smooth out some of these vibrations in the market, like this one. If the sensitivity was tighter, then this might have been red bars here. Anyway, I'm just going to fast forward some more. You can see that it bounced off the average, and then it came up quickly and hit his target. This all took place within a minute or so. So here's his first target getting hit. Both of these trades here, this entry and this exit, are limit orders. There is no slippage. Commission is being deducted. I think his first target is set to be $100, and so probably the commission is what's being reflected here. He's deducting commissions built into this calculation here. You can set that up in NinjaTrader. And so this trade progresses on and hits its target, and you can see here he said he had a couple of other ticks so that his target would be a round number, and I'm assuming it was $300 or $150 per contract. It looks like he's trading 2 contracts here. You can see that here. So yeah, he was going for $150 per contract in the NASDAQ, and then the second trade is the combine. Okay, so what happened here is he transferred over to another screen to his funded account. This is also being traded live, and it was just finishing this second trade. And so this is filled on its first target, and you can see here that in just a moment it got hit on its second target, and that was where Jim kind of chuckled, because it happened so quickly that he hit his goal of, I'm assuming, $300 or $600 for the whole lot here. This was 3 contracts. That's all for this video. Be sure to watch our video for the AutoTrader performance on our regular charts.